Okay, so this is video 2 of the second section of factorizing. Okay, factors is the second chapter in text and text 2. We're on page 23 and we're looking at specifically how to group things. Okay, so in this question we're going to look at something a little bit more complicated. We're going to look at page 24 and I'm going to do question number 6. Okay, question number 6 reads a squared plus ab plus AC plus BC. Now, it's very easy to look along here and say, okay, well, I can see what's already common. I can see that there's an A in almost everything. There's a C in two things, and there's a B in two things. Now, that's not going to say that we can just take an A out straight away. That's not going to happen because we're going to left to this on its own. That's just going to work. So when we're grouping terms, we need to think of our long-term answer. We're going to hope to finish with something that looks like bracket by a bracket. And you'll have two terms in each of those brackets. So we're looking for something that has an answer that looks something similar to that. Okay, that's what we're hoping to finish with. So, if I look at a squared plus ab, what's common to just that section first? So, what's the highest common factor of a squared and ab? Well, it has to be a. So I divide both of those terms by a. And then I multiply both of those terms by a. Because remember, if you divide it by a, you must multiply it by a. So then what happens is, one of the a's cancels against that. And you're going to be left with a on the outside, a plus b on the inside. Because that a will cancel against that a, b. A even. And now we're going to look at the second half of this question. And we see, look at these two. What's the highest common factor of a, c, and b, c? Well, it's c. If I divide by c, then I must multiply by c. Because we can't change this question magically. So that's going to leave us with c on the outside by the c's will cancel, a plus b. That plus has to come down, don't forget about that. So now we're left with a by a plus b plus c by a plus b. Now remember before I said that these might as well be digits. At the end of the day, this is all just going to come down to one number. If they give us values for a and b, that's just going to give us a number. So we treat this as one piece. And we treat this as one piece. Is that the highest common factor of both of these? Of course it is. Okay, there's no number higher than those, and no number that's common to both of them other than that. So now I'm going to say, well, a plus b is common to both of these terms. And I'm going to multiply both of these terms by a plus b. Now things are getting a bit messy here, so you can see why after a while you start to leave out that a plus b divide multiply bit. Okay, keep going here. That a plus b will cancel with that. That will cancel with that. And you're going to be left with a plus b on the outside. Because remember, divide by a plus b, you must multiply by a plus b. By what's left behind, a plus c. And now we've left with what we started, what we wanted to get with. Looks very similar to this.